In this problem, we try to match a few graphs of the polar functions to the rule of the function, basically. So I'm looking at this overall, and I see this spiral right over here. The spiral is something that I'm familiar with. Here, as theta increases, you can tell that the radii are increasing as theta gets bigger and bigger, and theta can get bigger than 2 pi and goes on and on and on, basically. So this is a familiar one, and which one is that? That's r and theta are related directly, and that's d basically right here. So this one is D. Then I know that between the rose petals, it's somewhat easier to figure out which one's which. And here I count the petals, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So what I know is the rose petals, when the angle is an even number times theta, and then I will have twice as many as that even number of petals. And so where does that happen? Over here I can see that I actually have 2 times theta, and that's an even number, and so that's the one, that's the rose petal, that is the even number, so I'm putting it in here. Now I know for odd numbers the number of petals matches the number that multiplies the theta. Let's see, where do I have that? So I have to have a 5 times theta, and I have it over here, and I have it over there. And the difference between them is one has 4 cosine 5 theta, and the other one has a 5 sine 5 theta. And so the difference in here I can see as theta equal to 0, r over here, r is this length, that's 4. For this one, as theta is equal to 0, r is 0. It starts right there. And so let's go back in here. If I plug in theta equal to 0, I will get 4, and that matches here. So B goes in here. And as I put in theta equal to 0, I get 0. So E matches that one. Now what is left? These two. And so let's discuss this again. Start with theta equal to 0. What is left out here, let's cross everything out in there first of all. So we cross that one out, we cross this one out, that one out, and this one out. And these two are our suspects for these two pictures, basically, for these two graphs. And over here, if I plug in theta equal to 0, I get 2 minus 2 times 1, which is 0. But over there, if I plug in theta equal to 0, I end up with basically -2. Are these the biggest number that I get? No. Over there with theta equal to pi, I get 4. And over here with theta equal to pi, I get also 4. But for theta equal to 0, one of them gives me 0. The other one, this one, gives me theta equal to 0, gives r equal to 0. Here theta equal to 0 gives me r equal to -2. Theta equal to 0, r -2 is right over here. And that's a test point that I figured out. I can try a few more, and I still get the same number. Here, for example, this was theta equal to pi, and r equal to 4. And here also I have theta equal to pi gives me r equal to 4. So again, this goes with F, and the other one goes with C, and we're done.